Help! I'm brand new. How do I get subscribers? What's up, everybody? It's Dan here again with danamezcua Multimedia and Marketing. It's interesting, one of the most commonly researched thing on YouTube is how do I get subscribers? The real question you should be asking yourself is, what value do I provide? As a content creator, you need to stop thinking about yourself and start asking, what is it that people want to know? There are a ton of tools out there to help you out with finding that out. For example, I have a survey down below in the description, and that just helps me out with knowing what is it that you guys want to see. If it were up to me, those of you that actually know me know that I would probably make my videos about playing guitar, going surfing, cars, movies, and just photography in general. Now, the interesting thing about that is, out of everybody that knows me, they probably want to know how is it that I do my photography. So far, out of all the videos that I've made, all of them have been geared towards photography because I know a lot of people ask me questions about that. Having said that, one of the most important things you can do is go and gather information from people that are actually wanting to watch your videos. They want to know how to do certain things. Are you an accountant? Are you a home builder? There are tons of different things that people, I myself, I want to know how to do certain things on my house. So I will go to YouTube and I'll watch an electrician go through and figure out the wiring. That's something I don't know how to do, but I'm going to watch how somebody else did it. Likewise, people watch my video to learn how to use cameras, lighting, etc. So again, the real question is not how do you get subscribers, but what kind of value can you offer to people? Now, as a content creator, what you need to do is go and poll your friends, go and poll your families, go ask them, what is it that you would like to see me do? What would you like to see me teach? I think you'd be surprised by how many people will give you an honest answer, and the answers will actually be able to help you with moving forward with your goals. Now, interestingly enough, there are plenty of other programs out there. For example, you can go to Google and create a survey from Google. There are other programs that will allow you to create a free survey. Go ahead, find a survey, and create a survey and send it out to all your friends. Go send it out to your family. Ask them to tell you what it is that they want to know that you know how to teach. By doing so, you're already creating a value add. So if you go out and poll a bunch of people and they come back with a certain answer, you already have a bunch of viewers that are wanting to know that information. That's one great way to get subscribers. So for the first little bit while you're starting your channel, think outside the box. What is it that I can do to help you? So to wrap up this short video, just ask yourself, what is the value that you provide to the viewers of your channel? And on that note,
pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all